What?
And this is rosemary.
Yes, and that is spice.
Do you think the rosemary is okay?
Yeah. No, that one.
Good morning everyone, it's very cold here in Sydney. It looks like my dear lavender is actually dying. Oh. Let's try to give some water. Be careful, baby.
I'm not a baby.
Are you not a baby?
Okay.
Hopefully this will. Do you think if we move it over there it's better?
Okay.
Right, we should do that. Okay, we're just gonna move it a little bit on the other side. As for maybe it's just a location. We have more spinach over here. They look okay. Got wall plants over here. So this is that's the oregano. It's looking pretty okay. And basils, it's alright, but not as good as they used to be. I think it's just the cold weather that's affecting all the basil leaves. And by the way, basils are used for pasta, spaghetti dishes. This is really great. Here we have two kinds of parsley. This is the flat parsley. As you can see, that's flat. And this is, I think, the continental parsley. The leaves are a little bit smaller. They're doing okay, I think, even with the cold weather. And this one, miraculously, this is the first time that my coriander is actually doing well in winter time. So that's coriander for you. It's doing very well and I'm very happy. The chili plant, this has been with our family for the last maybe 2-3 years, and it has really grown so big. But yeah, with the cold weather, it's actually not bearing any chilies at the moment, but it's still looking okay. Well, there's a little bit, I'll show you. That is the chili. Okay, moving on this side, this is our giant peace lily. So it's massive. So we have this plant, and it started like a baby, and now it's really big, and we call it a giant peace lily. And there's another one over there. And all the leaves are falling because of the winter season. It is about 9 degrees here in Australia, and it's 10 o'clock in the morning.
Oh, Mama, I want to depend.
Sure, baby.
Okay. That's big, Mom.
So that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed that video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, and I'll see you on my next video.